The philosophy of Ritz-Carlton says that we are ladies and gentlemen serving ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Pierre Soboroy from Oboroy Hotels has said that they want to be the best and not the biggest. And at Chitkara we say, come explore your potential.
Hi, my name is Tenzin Yangchen. I am from Bhutan and I am currently studying culinary arts and I'm in the second year. Here at Chitkara University, it is not just a place where you spend a few years and walk out with a degree. In fact, it is nothing less than a home where you have all the facilities to cater to your needs of comfort of a very happy and loving environment.
Hospitality is a very interesting profession. We hone your skills, we teach you attitude, we teach you aptitude, we teach you interpersonal skills, which are very important apart from the industry, also in daily life.
As Julia Child said, no one is born as a cook, one needs to learn it.
In 2005 is when we started our department over here in the university. And since then, the 13th batch will graduate this year in 2020.
We run 3 courses in hospitality management, namely BSc in Hospitality Administration, which is a 3-year course, BSc in Culinary Arts, which is again a 3-year course, and BSc in Culinary Arts with Pastry Management and Arts as a specialization. In the Hospitality Administration, which I told you is a 3-year degree course, the student encompasses and learns every possible working of a hotel. And since it's hospitality, which is a bigger word, he also learns cruise line management, learns obviously cooking, culinary management, industrial catering, and everything else which is included in hospitality. The second course we offer, which is again a 3-year degree course, is BSc in Culinary Arts, which is extremely popular, attracting a lot of boys and girls. We make sure, apart from learning the fine nuances of culinary, we have a lot of visiting celebrity chefs from India and abroad who come and take classes with our students.
In 2020, we have about 35 hotels which are located at international locations or in India, which visit our campus every year to select students, for their hotels.
The latest courses which we have started and we also teach are QSR management, which is quick service restaurants like the McDonald's, the KFCs, etc. And we also do casual fine dining courses.
I think the Chitkara University is the best one because I have visited the other colleges for the competition, but my college has provided each and every equipment is up to that standard that is in a hotel.
We want all the young people to come here. This is a very different profession, pays you pretty well. The rise is quite fast and you can eventually land up opening a hotel of your own, or a restaurant of your own, or a patisserie of your own, and these kind of things which are very different from the usual run-of-the-mill courses. This is absolutely unique what we do here. Our CAN members, our alumni have come out with brilliant places where they are working, doing extremely well, and the startups here again are very interesting, very appealing and well-paying. So come and join hospitality, the culinary world, where we hone your skills. Chefs have become very popular. They follow MasterChef Australia, India, or wherever on TV, and we can get you perhaps to higher levels, and very soon you can become a celebrity of your own. Thank you.